guys ready to play a game?
Yeah.
You know what game we're gonna play?
Guessing. Guess that game sound.
I think we should start a new thing called "What's That Sound?"
I'm making a video.
Hmm?
Making a video.
Yeah. Now the object of this game is I'm gonna be playing video game music, and I'm gonna see if my kids know
What
it is. They're gonna try to guess, right, baby?
Yeah. We are eating cupcakes.
All right.
Alright, you should put the flash on too.
No, I don't got no more battery. Excuse the lighting, okay?
Oh yeah.
It's really dark.
Yeah,
But we're not really going to be recording any faces. We're just going to be recording the music. So let's just see how good these guys know their video games. You guys sit up so they can see. No one can see you. They're back. Don't cheat. Trying to cheat. All of y'all. All right. First game. Or first, yeah. Shh. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Whoever wins.
I got a comment.
Okay. Shh, be quiet. Be quiet. First one. Let's see if they get it.
Zelda?
Final Fantasy 10.
Romeo got it. Hey.
Game Master.
Boo, Rena. Boo. Boo. Alright. Okay, well, the next game is probably going to be easy. You guys ready?
Yep.
Sonic.
Rena got it quicker.
No, I did.
No. No.
Look. Look, Dad.
Alright. I know you guys are not going to get this. If you get this one, I'm going to be shocked that you got this. Okay?
Okay.
You guys, you ready?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Bubble bobble. Bubble bobble.
Oh, I know it. Ninja Gaiden. Freak.
Ninja guy.
You don't have to raise your hands.
Mega Man. Ninja guy. Bubble bobble.
Skater, whatever. Does it have to do with skating?
You give up?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Does it have to do with skating?
Nope.
SpongeBob.
Nope.
Skater, guys, whatever.
Nope. Want a clue?
No.
Yes. Oh, Star Fox!
Star Fox, yep.
Damn, so stupid.
There you are. Look at the stupid. Look at stupid. We'll laugh at stupid.
Look at his dog.
Alright, this next one is gonna be easy, okay? It's gonna be easy, but I don't think you guys are gonna know it. If you guys get it, ooh, I'm gonna be so surprised that you guys get it. Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Hush, hush, hush.
Shut up.
Ready?
Castlevania.
Huh?
Dracula's Curse.
Castlevania?
No, it's not Dracula's Curse.
I said Castlevania for
Fine.
Zelda.
Watch my celebration dance.
But it is Castlevania. You're right. You guys got it right. Okay. Man, you guys know. Man, you guys are good. All right. Now this next one, you probably won't know. I know I keep saying that, but you probably won't get it. But we'll try it anyway. I mean, it's going to remind you. You guys heard it before, but I don't know if you know what game it's from. If you know what game it's from, then yeah, that's pretty cool.
You're gonna be shocked.
Yeah.
I'll be shocked again. All right, you ready?
Hush.
Shh.
Naruto? Naruto? Castlevania?
Chrono Trigger.
What?
Chrono Trigger.
You little punk. Yeah, it's Chrono Trigger. Man.
One guess.
Man.
Do songs that Romeo
Man.
doesn't know. Look at my feet.
Well, you guys are supposed to know this. Especially you. We listen to it all the time.
Yes, this is Nintendo.
All right, next
Nintendo
one.
music.
All right, guys. This next one is going to be really easy. If you guys don't get, hey, pay attention. If you guys don't get it, you guys going to bed. Okay? Ready? Man, there you go.
Dad, look, watch my celebration dance.
Yeah, I know you already did it. Yeah, okay, nasty. Cameron.
They got mine.
All right.
Wait, they got mine anyway. Look.
Don't keep your pants up. Don't hold them down.
I got one.
I see. I can't see you. Go over there. All right, let's try another one.
No, it's
All right, guys. Next one.
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
If you don't get this, then I'm gonna be mad at you guys.
Forever.
Yeah, we are eating cake.
Forever.
Zelda?
Yeah.
That's right.
Do a
Huh?
hard one.
A hard one?
Do a challenging one.
Okay.
Do it.
All right, guys. Here's the next one. You guys ready?
Yes, sir. Metal Gear Solid.
Huh?
Metal Gear Solid.
Yep. That's Metal Gear Solid.
Oh, snake! Oh! Snake.
Right. Here, Rita.
Snake.
Right.
Hey, that's snake.
Yeah, you don't got no Adam apple.
Huh? All right, let's try next one. All right, guys. Since you guys are getting everything right all the time, we're gonna move on. We're gonna move on from game music to anime.
Oh.
Okay, you guys think you're good?
Yeah.
Think you're good, Rena? All right, let's see.
Wait. Spin away. Spin away.
Huh?
Spin away.
Yeah.
This is like anime.
Yeah, it is anime, you chump.
Oh.
So you guys said Spirited Away?
Yeah.
I said anime.
I said anime.
See when all of us said hit the camera.
Whatever. All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Sasuke. Sasuke's Ninja Way.
Naruto.
Punk. All right, guys. Now, it's the last one. If you guys are really good, you guys can get this, okay?
Okay.
If you don't, everyone's getting a whipping.
Then like Minnow and you. You too.
All right. Ready?
Metal Gear Solid.
Castlevania.
What's the song called then?
Snake Eater.
Snake Eater.
What a thrill. What a game.
Snake Eater. You punks.
I got it. I actually got it. Snake Eater.
Whatever. So you guys know your anime and your video game music. So what? That doesn't impress me at all. Get bed. Everyone's going to bed.